I'm gonna go over the KingCamp Premium 3D Duo. Check this thing out. This is like a sleeping bed for inside of a van, an RV, or something like that, where you just wanna, or you could even use this in your bedroom and just throw it down on the floor with guests or something. And just showing y'all how the width of this thing, you know, is 50.4 inches and the length is 79.1 inches. And it's made for 2 people. And then it's 3 inches thick, and it has memory cell. It's a self-inflating with memory cell in it. I absolutely love this thing. I've been using it off and on in my van. Here's the van right over here, and you can kind of see the setup that I have. And I just have a flat like base here, and I've always needed a mattress, so I got this KingCamp. So let's go ahead and roll it out, and let me show y'all how quickly it inflates and how awesome it looks when it's in there. Let me just go ahead and take it out of the bag, because by the way, it's not the easiest thing. Once you get it inflated, it takes a little bit to get it out of this bag, to get it back in the bag. I mean, you have to roll it up, use some convincing to get it in there. So what I do is just, you know, pull it upside down and shake it, and then it just falls out. And they do have this little, they have 2 of these little cords, but I lost one of the cords in the middle of using it. So let me go ahead and take it off. And what you're gonna do to make this thing work, you're gonna open this valve up, and you see that valve right there. I'm not gonna do it until I take this off. You're gonna rotate that around, and vacuum will start sucking down in there. So let me go ahead and take it apart and get it in the van here, and this works awesome. By the way, there's 2 of these little things. You're gonna rotate them. I don't know if y'all can hear that in the camera. Turn that around like that, and you got 2. Turn that one around. You can see how awesome it fills up the back of a van. This would work great in like a hatchback SUV or something like that. I've got it right in between these, and usually what I do is put pillow, blanket, sleeping bag, whatever, and line it up. You can see it's already inflating there. Let me give it, it usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, but the thing is, just start it and then walk off, and it should be inflated. So let's let it sit here and inflate a little bit, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. All right, everybody, I let it sit here and inflate up for about 20 minutes. Look how perfect that is. This thing feels absolutely amazing when you lay on it. It's got this memory cell foam. I love this material that's on the top right here, and it's kind of like this cooling effect, but it also keeps heat in the wintertime. So this is a true 4-season type, and this is my setup right here for camping, y'all. I just get it right here, lay it out, and I put some more pillows up there. I just have one for the video here, but I have more pillows that I lay up there and a sleeping bag, and I'm good to go, and 2 people can sleep in here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the KingCamp Premium 3D Duo. Highly recommend this thing. See you guys in the next video. Woo!